Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So today, guys, I'm cruising in the '96 Impala. As you can see, I'm headed to an event hosted by really cool car guy. He and his wife. Guy's name is Dwayne, but it's called the Dwayne's Express car show. It's out here in Hitchcock, Texas, which is kind of like close to Galveston, Lamarck area. Anyways, super cool event. I think this is like their third or fourth year they've had the event. Dwayne and his wife, they're just like really solid, down to earth, just great people. They always support various shows that my car club hosts, the Chevy Boys of Houston. They always come out and show support. So, just returning the favor. So I'm headed out there. Definitely, the routine. I would definitely get you guys some great content and show you what's going on. But before we jump into the video, guys, the routine. Do me a huge favor. Hit that like button for me. Hit the thumbs up. Also, guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, guys. Oh, my bad. What's up now? You always cut your wheel like that?
Yeah, because I make my fender wheel while getting that fender wheel.
Oh, okay. It's a nice trailer, man.
Nice.
How long you had this one?
Been had
You
about
been-
coming up on 5 years.
Oh, okay. Did you have it customized or you bought it just like this?
I bought it like this.
It's nice, man. Okay.
How you make it drop, baby?
DJ Highview in the mix.
All right, guys. So, man, we made it to the show. As you can see, I was able to grab some footage of some of the cars before they left. I got a chance to see the best of show, which was Ricky Holly's C10 Lolita, and a few of the other ones that placed pretty high up in the rankings out here. But anyways, guys, hopefully you did enjoy the little bit of content that I did give you. Before you jump off, please be sure to like the video. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you next time, guys. Take care.